Hello children, hope you all fine and safe in your home. We make this holiday more special by reaching you through online. Through this you can learn many things, make this holiday more special one and also more useful one. Let us learn environmental science. What is meant by environmental science? All the physical surroundings on earth are called the environment. The environment includes the living and non-living things. Okay, environment is nothing but it is about our surroundings. We can see many things in our surroundings like humans, animals, buildings, plants, vehicles, trees, etc. So it depends on two things, that is living and non-living things. Let's see what is meant by living things. The term living things refers to things that are now alive. In order for something to be classified as living, it must grow and develop, use energy, reproduce, be made of cells, respond to its environment and adapt. So living things means nothing but it must be alive. It has growth and develop. It must be respond, so it have moving one place to another place. That is called living things. We have examples. Human beings, they have ability to move one place to another place, and also they have reproduce, then they are growing, so they are called living things. Then animals, sea animals, birds are living things because they are moving one place to another place, they having breathe, so they are called living things. Then plants, it produce fruits and vegetables for us, so it produce energy, it moving one place to another place by means of sunlight, so the plants can grow in the way of sunlight. So these are the living things. Then we move to non-living things. Non-living things are things that were never been alive. These things do not need food, water and air. These things do not have the ability to reproduce or give birth, grow and change on their own, or to respond to change in environment. So non-living things does not have alive. Then it does not need any food, water and air, and also it does not move in one place to another place, it does not grow, it does not develop. So these things are considered as non-living things. Shall we see examples? It makes you clear more. So bicycle, yes, it moves one place to another place, but only the human being can make it move one place to another place. Then furniture, it remains in the same place until we move, so it is also considered as living, non-living things. Then sharks, car, brush, then toy, these are the things are cannot be moved, so they are called non-living things. Then shall we see more examples for non-living things? Books, laptops, chair, fan, robot, clock, cars, they are called non-living things because it cannot be moved, it cannot be grow, it cannot be developed, so it is considered as non-living things. Then children, you can understand the living and non-living things better, I hope. So here we come to recapitulate part. Here I am giving two set of pictures. The left side you have both living and non-living. In right side you have the correct arrangements of living and non-living things. So in the right side you can see the first box, horse, and the second box, non-living things, camera. So you have see the difference. The horse can be moved one place to another place, it can be run, but the camera cannot. So it is a small difference between the living and non-living things. It makes you clear more. Okay, then we move to next page. It is for you. Can you find the living and non-living things? So you have the pictures, so you have to find living and non-living things by checking your comprehension. Okay children, hope you all understand the concept well. Stay home safely. Thank you.